The drying characteristic of fruits. The fruit sample used in this experiment is an apple. Using a ruler, carefully cut out and trim the fruit sample into cubes of dimensions 1 cm by 1 cm by 1 cm approximately. Place the cubes onto the weighing balance. Always cover the cubes with cling wrap to prevent moisture loss prior to the experiment. Continue cutting the cubes until a total mass of approximately 100 grams of cubes is achieved. Arranging the samples on the tray. Using a piece of aluminum foil, fold it into the shape of a tray. Make sure the tray is large enough to fit approximately 100 grams of cubes. Tear the weighing balance. Then, place the tray onto the weighing balance and record the weight of the aluminum tray. Remove the aluminum tray from the weighing balance and arrange the cubes on the tray. Make sure the cubes are evenly spaced out. To set up the convective air dryer for experiment, set the convective hot air dryer condition to a hot air flow rate of 1 meter per second and inlet hot air temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. Allow the convective air dryer condition to be optimized to the set conditions before proceeding with the experiment. Switch on the light in the dryer and tear the weighing balance. Gently place the aluminum tray with the cubes onto the balance. Click the Start button on the dryer system to start recording data. The experiment is allowed to run for 15 hours. To determine the initial moisture content of sample, a 1 cm by 1 cm by 1 cm cube is cut into small pieces. The samples should be as finely chopped as possible to increase surface area to volume ratio for heat and mass transfer. Lift up the lid of a moisture analyzer and place an aluminum tray onto the balance. Close the lid and tear the balance. Open the lid and scrape the small pieces of sample onto the tray using a spatula. Make sure to spread the sample evenly on the tray. Close the lid and press Start. When the light on the moisture analyzer stops blinking, press Stop. Open the lid of the analyzer and remove the dried sample. Record down the value as the initial moisture content of a sample on a wet basis. After a total drying period of 15 hours, click Stop to stop recording the data. Retrieve the save file from the computer system. To remove the samples from the oven, switch off the light and open the door of the oven. Carefully remove the samples from the oven using a glove. Always remember to wear gloves when removing the hot samples from the oven. the end state of the samples. Notice that a properly dried sample tend to look brownish and shrunken.